Is your Sony TV giving you a headache by refusing to turn on? Those moments can be frustrating, but don't worry. I'm here to guide you on how to fix your Sony TV when it is not turning on. By following these steps, you can potentially solve the issue without needing professional help. Let's dive into the solutions to get your TV up and running smoothly again. Step 1. Check the power source. First things first. Ensure that your TV is getting the power it needs. Check if the power cord is properly plugged into both the wall outlet and the back of your TV. If it's already connected correctly, try another power outlet to rule out the possibility of a faulty electrical socket. Additionally, if you're using a power strip or surge protector, make sure it's turned on and functioning properly. Step 2. Examine the remote control. Sometimes the issue might not be with the TV, but with the remote control. Start by replacing the batteries in your remote. If that doesn't work, try turning the TV on by using the power button located directly on the TV itself. This can help you determine if the remote is the problem. Reset the remote by removing the batteries and pressing all the buttons to discharge any residual power. Then reinstall the batteries and try again. Step 3. Perform a soft reset. A soft reset can help resolve minor glitches that might be preventing your TV from turning on. Unplug the TV from the power source and wait for about 60 seconds. After that, press and hold the power button on the TV for approximately 30 seconds to discharge any remaining power. Finally, plug the TV back in and attempt to turn it on again. This method effectively resets the device without affecting your settings or stored data. Step 4. Inspect cables and connections. Loose or damaged cables can hinder your TV from functioning properly. Carefully inspect all connected cables, including HDMI, power, and other peripheral connections. Ensure they are securely attached and in good condition. If any cables appear damaged, replacing them might resolve the issue. Consider testing your setup with different cables to confirm that faulty cabling is not the root problem. Step 5. Power cycle connected devices. If your Sony TV is still not turning on, it's time to look at other devices connected to it, such as gaming consoles or sound systems. Power cycling these devices can sometimes resolve the issue. Turn off all connected devices, unplug them from their power sources, and leave them disconnected for about 30 seconds. Afterward, reconnect them and try turning your TV back on. Step 6. Try a factory reset. As a last resort, consider performing a factory reset on your TV. Keep in mind that this will erase all of your personal settings and save data. Consult your TV's manual for the specific instructions on how to perform a factory reset for your model, as the steps may vary. Usually, this involves pressing a combination of buttons on your remote while the TV is turned off. When faced with the challenge of how to fix your Sony TV when it's not turning on, following these steps can help you diagnose and potentially solve the issue without needing a technician. From checking the power source and remote control to performing a soft reset and factory reset, each step is designed to address common problems that may be preventing your TV from powering up. Remember to proceed with caution, particularly when handling electrical components, and consult a professional if these steps do not resolve the issue. Happy troubleshooting.